Hi guys, welcome to my channel which is Mother's Flavor. My name is Nikita and today's recipe is basil pesto sauce. To make basil pesto sauce, we'll be needing the following ingredients. I have used about half a cup of basil here, around 40 grams of parmesan, about 1.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I'm using cashews, around 7 cashews. I'm using cashews here because I'm not using pine nuts. If you have pine nuts, you can use pine nuts. Around 5 cloves of garlic, salt to your taste. When you're making it, ensure to not add too much of salt because there will be enough salt content in our cheese. So to make our basil pesto sauce, I'm making it in our mortar pesto here. You can use the similar amount of ingredients and use a blending jar or a mixer jar and blend it in that. But the best taste comes through the mortar pesto. It's the authentic, and by making it in mortar pesto you'll get very good flavor of garlic and basil. So firstly we'll add in our garlic, we'll add in some salt and we'll paste this. Yeah, as you can see, now our garlic has got pasted. Now we'll add our cashews. We'll paste this as well. Now once this is ready, we'll add in our basil. Then our basil in 2 batches. Now once this reduces in size like this, once our basil leaves have broken down, we'll add in the next batch of our basil leaves and we'll make a paste of this. Now once this gets reduced like this, now we'll add in our parmesan cheese. We'll add in the parmesan cheese in 2 batches. Now we'll add in the second batch of parmesan. We'll again add in some olive oil. We will not add the entire batch of 1.5 tablespoon of olive oil. We'll see how much is required and we'll add that much. Okay, here I have added just 1 tablespoon of olive oil. After adding olive oil, just muddle it and make sure it becomes a homogeneous mixture. And coming back to the usage of cheese, I haven't used the entire 40 grams of cheese. There is still about 13 grams of cheese in this. So on the whole, I have just used about 27 grams of cheese. You can use cheese accordingly. Once it is done, if you feel you need more parmesan cheese, please feel free to add more. But I just prefer less cheese in this, so I'm just adding less cheese. Now this is done. Now I'll transfer this into our serving bowl. On the pesto sauce so that it doesn't get oxidized and change its color. Oil to this is completely optional. If you want to store it for long in the refrigerator or want to avoid the oxidization of the pesto sauce, then you can add a little bit of oil on this. That is again optional. There you go, our pesto sauce or our pesto paste is ready. You can boil some penne pasta or spaghetti pasta or any kind of pasta that you like and mix along with this sauce and enjoy pesto pasta. I hope you guys really like the video. If you really like the video, then do hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.